See, students, often people try to protect themselves from the patients who are suffering from AIDS, but AIDS do not spreads simply from touching or from sharing the food with HIV infected person or with HIV positive person. Or if we are taking good care of such patients, we will not be affected with such kind of disease, because AIDS do not transfer simply by touching. So there are some other modes of transmission of AIDS. So if we are living with an HIV positive person, and if we are taking their care, if we are touching them, if we are sharing the food with them, it doesn't mean that we will also suffer with the same kind of a disease. So our behavior should be normal with HIV positive persons. We should take care of them. We should give them proper care, and proper affection should be given to them. HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys, and according to the National AIDS Control Program and UN, that is United Nations AIDS, 80 to 85% HIV infections in India occur through unsafe sexual contacts. So if a person is having multiple sex partners, or if there are other reasons, like if the sex partner is unhygienic, then we can suffer with AIDS, because it has been reported that AIDS is spread due to unsafe sexual contacts. Now, infections through animals. There are various kinds of animals which are responsible for spreading of various kinds of diseases. So if any infected dog, rabbit or monkey or cat bites us, the parasite will enter into our body. If that dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, such kind of animals are not healthy, and if they are biting us, then the virus or the parasite will enter into our body, and we may suffer with rabies. So this rabies will enter into our brain via neurons. Now neurons are the units of nervous system. So our entire nervous system, it is made up of some millions of neurons. So that virus of rabies will enter into our brain through the neurons, and hydrophobia is one of the important symptom of this disease. And hydrophobia means to get scared of water, to have the phobia of water. So that person will it will get scared as soon as it will come in contact with water. The person may not take bath also, because he's very afraid of water. So this is the meaning of hydrophobia. So in this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water, and it is a fatal disease. One day the person may die because of the rabies. And however, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. That means if once the such kind of animals like dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, if they have the such kind of infected animals, if they have bite, so and at that time only, if we are taking any vaccination before the arrival of the symptoms, then we can be protected from rabies. Otherwise, the rabies is fatal. It may lead to death, and the symptoms will start occurring within 90 to 175 days of dog bite. Now what are the symptoms? Let's see. Fever can be there for 2 to 12 weeks. Exaggeration behavior, that means a person will overreact, the person's behavior will not be normal. And then of course hydrophobia, that means fear from water. So these are some of the diseases which what we have discussed today, and in our next video we shall study non-infectious diseases. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.